Anytime you're working with electrical circuits, selecting the correct wire size for the job is extremely important. Otherwise, the wire could overheat or add unneeded cost. The American wire gauge is a sizing system that's been used for over 100 years as the standard for determining the correct gauge sizes for electrical applications. AWG is based on a cable's ability to carry resistance, which is determined in part by the diameter of the wire. The higher the number, the thinner the wire. Most automotive applications require gauge sizes of 14 to 18, while the telephone company uses gauge sizes in upwards of 26. This means that a 10-gauge wire can therefore carry more current than a 14-gauge wire. The second factor that affects cable resistance is the length of the wire. A shorter wire is less resistant than a longer wire. AWG takes these two factors into consideration. As a result, this reference chart makes it very easy for a technician to select the correct wire. Let's look at an example using a standard 12-volt car battery. This 12-volt circuit is designed to carry 10 amps of current through the circuit, which generates 120 watts of power. The length of wire needed to complete the circuit is 20 feet. By referring to the AWG chart, we can quickly calculate that the correct cable gauge to use in this application is 16/0. Wire size can also be determined using the metric system. This standard is known as SWG, Standard Wire Gauge, and is used by the majority of car makers today.